Photos that you take on your iPhone automatically appears on other devices like your iPad or Mac. This is because you have iCloud Photos synchronization enabled, which uploads and stores all your photos on the cloud, making them available on all of your devices. I'll tell you how to fix it. Watch till the end and you will learn a helpful tip. So as a start, open up your settings. Then on top, find your Apple account and tap on the iCloud. From here, I want you to click this section to see all and check all of the apps saved to iCloud. Now you're gonna just find this section, Photos. Tap on that. And if you want for the photos to appear only on your device, then disable Sync this iPhone feature. And you will see two options. Remove from iPhone. This will delete all photos that have been synchronized from your iPhone. And download photos and videos. This section will save all photos and videos on your device and delete them from other devices. So pick the second option. And of course, check this section, Shared Albums. This option you should also turn off so that your albums are not shared on other devices. And if you want to keep your personal albums only on your iPhone, turn off all shared and synchronized albums here. And now your photos will appear only on one device. And another tip for protecting your private photos is to create a private folder and store your most private photos there. You can transfer them to a secure note or use a special privacy app. That's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.